What is whoosh? According to Cambridge Dictionary, it is a soft sound made by something moving fast through the air, or like that, made when air is pushed out of something. Yeah, well, when we talk about sound design, it's obviously not always a soft sound. Basically, whooshes are used to highlight movement in front of your eyes, and I guess most people can describe it just by saying it. Like whoosh, whoosh, ooh. For example, here we have sounds that follow the camera movement and clips transitions. Very popular use of a whoosh. Here we have fight scenes and slow-mo parts, where whooshes are added to highlight the movement and the slow-mo parts. And here it is placed way below the engine sound, but it increases the speed and movement feeling. My point is, when you want to use whoosh sound, you need to find or create something that matches your image, whether it's a movie, animation or a video game. In this video I would like to show you a few different ways to create your own whoosh sounds. And yeah, I know there are a lot of sound banks and free to use sounds, but let me point two things. First, you need to use what's available, and second, it's no fun at all. And sound design should be fun, primarily. So, how to create whooshes? I will show you 4 ways. From noises generated by synths, blowing into the mic, swinging things in front of the mic, and recording of a car passing by. And we are going to get sounds like this. Enough talking, let's go. So for the first method, I have used one of Logic's synths to create a noise. Bounce the wave and here it is. Let me show you what you can do with this, putting different plugins and achieving different results. The most basic things I do are putting chorus, pitching down, filtering high frequencies and placing some reverb. This makes the noise sound more gentle, spacey and of course whooshy. Then it is all about your vision. You can spread it to widen the sound, add a Doppler effect, distort or play with ring modulations, for example. And those will be good for some outer world things and transitions. Second method. That one is more simple and more pure, because if you are capable of doing crazy badass whooshes with your mouth, then you don't need much time to process your recordings later. And the spectrum of what you can do here is really wide. Check this. Just a little basic processing and you're done. Third method is very similar to previous one, but this one is rather for quick sounds. Take something you have nearby your mic and start swinging. Try different things. A book, a lead, and rather not valuable things because, you know, you can get excited and throw it away by accident. And again, just simple processing here and voila. Last one. It can be of course a motorcycle, a train, a jet plane or TIE fighter if you have one or know somebody who does have. I will stick to a car. What is so cool about making it this way? You have an object in motion which simply gives some kind of movement in sound. And you get richer sound made not only from noise or movement, but containing such unique features like sound of engine, tires, etc. This is a good base to work on. Of course, you can go to the highway or downtown and record anything you hear. But if you want your perfect sound, it's better to prepare your own setup. Find a nice quiet place, an empty road like this. Take your body with you and do it on your terms. I took basic field recording setup. Zoom H5 with stereo capsule, shotgun mic, in this case MKH 416, tripods, mic stands, dead cats and a car.
Don't forget the body.
We've done a few pass-bys on different gears and microphone positions. Now use your fantasy again. The main thing is to lose car-specific sound and create something unique. You know the basic effects you can use, but also try to experiment with some cool ones like those from Soundspot or Waves, which are insanely crazy, or any other. Just play with it. You can use this fancy speed up slow down feature in Logic. It's also available in other DAWs like Pro Tools. I am aware that there are a lot of ways to create and process whoosh sounds. These are the basics that you can use later in cool stingers or cinematic sounds like this. I hope you liked this video. If you have different ways, share it in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.